Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to sign in to Arkansas Digital Library Consortium using your local library card. And hopefully your librarian has given you not only your card with your card number on it, but also a 4-digit PIN. If not, you want to contact your local library and ask them for not only your ID number, but also the 4-digit PIN to sign into the consortium. So the reason we want to do this is because if you sign in, you can borrow books, digital books, and Audible books from the Arkansas Digital Library Consortium. adlc.overdrive.com is the website. So first, you will need your card or your card number and that PIN number. So you're going to navigate to adlc.overdrive.com on your browser, and you'll want to click on Sign In. You can also do this by downloading the Libby app on your phone, and that app looks like this. It's this one here, if you can see that. It's the Libby by Overdrive app. You can do the same thing on your phone if you have like the Amazon Kindle app on your phone, or if you have the Audible app on your phone. You can use those once you borrow from the Arkansas Digital Library Consortium. You can open them on those apps on your phone. So from this page, we will want to select our library from the drop-down menu, and it lists all of the libraries that are available in the Arkansas Digital Library Consortium. Ours is that one. Then you'll want to put in your card number and your PIN number, and then you'll click Sign In. Once you do that, you can click on Search to find any book that you're looking for and see if it is available through your local library. It's as easy as that to borrow digital books and audiobooks from your local library free of charge.